Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve zygomatic bone definition using easy methods. Many people desire more prominent cheekbones, and while bone structure is genetic, you can enhance their appearance through targeted facial exercises. These simple routines focus on strengthening and toning the muscles around your cheek area, which can lead to a more defined and lifted look. We'll explore practical steps you can incorporate into your daily routine without any fuss. One effective and easy exercise is the fish face technique. To perform this, simply suck in your cheeks and lips as if you're making a fish-like expression. You should feel a gentle pull in your cheek muscles. Hold this position for about 5 to 10 seconds, then release. Aim to repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times, ideally 2 or 3 times throughout your day. It's a quick way to engage those specific muscles. Another beneficial method involves a simple sculpting massage. Place your index and middle fingers on each cheekbone. Gently push the skin upwards towards your temples, applying light pressure. Hold this lifted position for about 5 seconds, then release. Repeat this motion 10 times on each side. This helps to stimulate blood flow and can contribute to a more toned appearance in the cheek area, making your cheekbones seem more prominent. For the best results, consistency is absolutely key. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, perhaps for just 5 to 10 minutes each day. Beyond exercises, remember that overall lifestyle plays a significant role. Maintaining good posture, especially keeping your head up, can naturally highlight your facial features. Also, staying well hydrated and eating a balanced diet supports healthy skin, which contributes to a more vibrant and defined look. Patience and persistence will yield noticeable improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.